today I ran into a problem. Now, what I'm looking for is a camera uh, that I could stream video from. Um, I started looking around on YouTube, looking for a camera, and there's this way high priced. And I was just looking at webcams and different stuff, the Logitech stuff and whatnot. And I remembered I have a GoPro 5. So I got my GoPro 5 out, right? Got it. And I was like, okay, so how could I get this footage on my computer, so I could stream with it, or I could record with it on Streamlabs OBS, stuff like that, right? So I started going through more YouTube channels, and I ended up coming across a capture card. Now there's a lot of capture card. Well, not a lot, but there's the Elgato one, which is like hundreds of dollars. Well, not hundreds of dollars, like $100 or something. But way too expensive. I'm more of a budget guy. I have a budget PC, and I'm starting from scratch and just trying stuff out. So what I went for, because a lot of people were recommending this card, it's from Amazon, so I checked it out, right? I bought it, so I got it for 18 bucks, 20 bucks with everything, got it down here, and I was like, I don't know, I gotta try it for myself. So it has that HDMI plug-in right there to the computer, USB, right? And this goes, 1080p. So I was like, that's enough, with the, I don't need anything better than that to stream or just to record videos, right? Then I got, of course, the micro HDMI to HDMI, so I could connect to my GoPro 5. So, of course, this will go connected here, right? And then the small HDMI will go into my GoPro, bam. All you do is just connect your charger in there, connect your charger in there, and you can just load it up,
So once that's all connected to your computer and everything, don't turn on your GoPro just yet. Just leave it off. Go ahead and add your webcam from, of course, you add a source and then video capture device. Once you add that, it should pop up a screen like this, and this is gonna pop up right here, USB video. Click that, okay? Then you want to turn on your GoPro. Once that's on, boom, there it is. It comes right on. And right here you can configure anything you need to configure. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Well, that's a wrap. Super affordable video capture card. And if you have one of these laying around, well, it's going to be super nice, just streaming and gaming with that stuff. So yeah, hopefully this helps somebody out, and if it did, we'll like, subscribe, share if you can. I'd greatly appreciate it. And well, I guess to the next one. Peace out.